In the early 1940s, women's fashion and style was defined by the war. Rationing being a major part. But natural synthetics like Rayon made stylish ready-to-wear dresses more and more accessible. This woman, seen here in a promotional film for synthetic fabrics, is getting dressed to go out for the night. No woman's evening outfit could be complete in the late 1940s without a pair of gossamer fine stockings. The invention of nylon, in 1939, revolutionized fashion. Swimwear and shapewear became much more flexible. And the sale of nylons went through the roof when they returned to the shelves after the war. Chemistry, according to this film, had a solution for everything.
Raining. Then it's chemistry to the rescue. Something that came out of a test tube is going to protect her from that shower. Here, folded into a compact little package, is a transparent raincoat, rainproof like rubber.